Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to extract certain text from cells in Excel. Let's say you have sales information presented to you in this form. The product ID, receipt number, and date are all in one cell. If you need to split these into 3 different columns, a manual way to do it would be to copy and paste each part. You would double click in the cell, select the product ID, do Ctrl+C to copy it, go over here and paste it. And you would do the same for the receipt number and then the date. It will take some time to complete doing this for the 9 rows I have here. Imagine if you have 50, 100 or 1000 rows. But it is possible to do more than 1000 rows in less than 10 minutes using the left, right, and mid functions. For the product ID here, I know that it is the leftmost part of the text and it has 5 characters in it. So in my product ID column here, I will go ahead and type the equal sign to start my formula. Then I will type left and open my parentheses. Notice that Excel recognizes the function and is prompting me for the text I want to extract from. My text here is in cell A3, so I will go ahead and click on the cell A3. I can also type A3 directly in the formula. Then I will type a comma. The next bold item in the prompt is the number of characters. This is the number of characters I want to extract from the left. My product ID has 5 characters, and that is all I want. So I will type 5 and close the parentheses. Then I will press enter on my keyboard, and there is my product ID. The receipt number is somewhere in between, so I will use the mid function for it. I will go ahead and type the equal sign, then I will type MID for mid and open the parentheses. Again, I get a prompt for my text. I will type A3, then comma. Then next is the start number. The start number is the position of the character you want to start extracting from. If I count from the left, the first character of my receipt number is at position 9. Note that the spaces and dashes are counted. So I type 9, then comma. My receipt number has 7 characters, so I type 7, close the parentheses, and press enter on the keyboard to get my receipt number. Finally, the date. The date is all the way on the right. So I will use the same method like the product ID, but instead of the left function, I will use the right function. I go equals, right, open parenthesis, A3, comma, and here I need 11 characters from the right. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and I have my date. I can then go ahead and drag my formulas down for all the other rows below. My task is now complete in a short time. So, this is how to extract text from cells in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you have other ways to do this, or if you have questions about other Excel tasks or functions. Thank you.